Guys, I'm just updating this air vent or the AC duct fan to be removed in the Toyota Corolla 2008 model, and it's a Toyota Corolla hybrid. So watch it. So what you're gonna do is, like, I'm just holding this video in one hand and trying to remove it by another hand. So it's very easy stuff. You hold here at the corner here and push, like, by pressing this area. So it's like this. So it's a snap fit, and then you remove this one. This is another one over here. So removed, and then this one is also easy to remove. Done. And then remove this eyeball vent, which is broken already, and clean it and put another one. So I'll just put that another one. You can see this is the broken one, and I'm just moving out the broken one and replacing it with the new one. So you can see this one, this is the new one. So what you gotta do is, like, you have to put this new one on here and then snap fit again. See, you have a matching holes and slots over here. You have to arrange accordingly and then do this one. All right, so I'm gonna fit it, and then you can see in the video.